Welcome to Module 6 in the series. If you have not done so already, please see Module 1 for an introduction to the series and the requirements for authorization. This module will cover a brief overview of Cisco Commerce Workspace, the shift from CapEx only to CapEx and OpEx buying models, the Cisco subscription billing platform, managing entitlements via Cisco Smart Accounts, and an introduction to Cisco's Try and Buy program. Plus, we provide additional resources for learning more. Let's get started. We start with a brief overview of Cisco Commerce Workspace, commonly known as CCW. CCW is the quoting and ordering tool used by Cisco partners for both the traditional purchase and resale of Cisco products and for ordering software-as-a-service services known as SaaS. These two major functions broadly align to how customers buy solutions today, either on a CapEx or OpEx model. Many customers use both models. CCW allows users to browse through the rich Cisco catalog and then estimate, configure, quote, and order Cisco products and services using one centralized tool. If you're not already a Cisco partner, you will need to become at least a registered Cisco partner to get access to CCW. For new and existing Cisco partners, there are a number of resources designed specifically to keep you up to date on the new features and functions of CCW for both traditional resale and SaaS ordering. Please see the list of resources at the end of this module. Cisco's collaboration SaaS portfolio is based on a fast-growing, worldwide model of having software installed on a server hosted in the cloud that delivers software to users via the Internet. Customers are not making a significant upfront investment in software, hardware, and IT, and therefore partners and vendors don't gain their income as a lump sum payment upfront, known as capital expense, or CapEx. Installation, maintenance, support, upgrades, and training, etc. are all managed by the vendor providing the software as a service and are considered operating expenses or OpEx. Moving from the CapEx to OpEx models is a change, but it is a change for the better. Customers will pay as they grow. Removing large capital costs provides more flexibility to customers to meet their business objectives and succeed over time. Their long-term success underpins your long-term success. The OpEx model also provides an excellent way for partners to grow recurring revenue for their business. Cisco's subscription billing tool within CCW is called SaaS Subscription Billing Platform, or SBP. Guided configuration for CCW and support resources are available. This ensures easy and accurate quoting for everyone, even if you are new to SaaS. Buying on subscription allows you to have SaaS, hardware, and service in one deal. And the offer comes with easy add-ons and modifications. To help you respond to requests for changes to a contract, you don't have to wait until the end of a term or when starting a new contract. The deals qualify for partner programs. True monthly billing and auto renewals are a snap. You are positioned for renewals and upsells. In Module 5, we covered the value and flexibility of the Collaboration Flex Plan. While Webex and other collaboration solutions can be sold and supported without the Flex Plan, Cisco highly recommends the Collaboration Flex Plan as the primary way to license the Cisco collaboration portfolio. Via CCW's subscription billing platform, known as SBP, partners can create and quote the right Collaboration Flex solution for their customers. To better enable you to track and manage your software ownership, Cisco has introduced Smart Accounts. Together with Smart Licensing, Smart Accounts make it easier to buy, deploy, and track Cisco software by removing entitlement barriers and providing clear details on your customer's Cisco software assets. A smart account is a centralized account managed by a partner or customer that provides full visibility and access control to all Cisco software licenses across the customer's company. You can think of it as a bank account where users can store, manage, and move assets from one virtual account to another. Smart accounts are becoming the heart of Cisco transactions. It is mandatory for smart licenses to be assigned to a smart account, and it is highly recommended for product activation keys, commonly referred to as pack-based licenses, but not required. Partners are responsible for designating the correct smart account for any smart license SKUs they are ordering. There are two types of smart accounts. A customer smart account is where licenses are deposited for customers to access and use. It serves as the repository of the customer's Cisco assets. All customers will need to create a customer smart account for their own licenses, as well as partners who will be ordering and consuming licenses for themselves. Partners may also have the additional role of helping manage their customer's smart account. Virtual accounts are subsets of customer or holding smart accounts and are used to internally organize licenses by department or other logical entities. You can use virtual accounts to organize licenses by business unit, product type, geographic region, or whatever else makes sense for your organization. Shown here is an example of how a customer smart account could be divided into virtual accounts among 3 departments. It is recommended to use virtual accounts instead of multiple smart accounts, since device and license visibility and management can only be done within a single smart account. Partner holding smart accounts are used by partners to store orders temporarily before they are deposited to end customer smart accounts. Holding accounts are useful when you may not know the end customer or their customer smart account at the time of the order, but you can still place the order in a holding account temporarily. Once the customer is identified post-order, you will transfer the order to a customer smart account. The distinguishing feature between the two account types is that licenses can only be consumed in the customer smart account, not a holding account. Assigning a holding account on an order also provides company-wide access to the order. And, when ordering for a customer, assign the order to one smart account and use the virtual accounts to segment usage by department or group. If you have 2 main smart accounts and the license order is deposited in the incorrect account, it is a slow, manual process on the Cisco side to change that assignment. Whereas if you only had one smart account and used virtual accounts, if the order was assigned to the incorrect virtual account, you could easily move the license between virtual accounts. The Webex Try and Buy program, known as TAB, is a free global service that allows prospective Cisco customers the opportunity to try Webex products and services for a short period before buying them. Trials are managed in Cisco Webex Control Hub. It is intended for customers where you have an 85% or higher confidence in the sale. Trial terms can vary and are chosen when the request is submitted. The Try and Buy program allows users to test out IP phones, room kits, and the DX80, along with various Webex services. Pro Pack is not a part of the services trialed in this program. Cisco will provide up to 20 Cisco Webex board licenses for partners that would like to provide the Cisco Webex board hardware as part of a single trial. The Cisco Webex board licenses are available so that customers may experience the full spectrum of device types that Cisco has to offer, but it is up to the partner to obtain and ship the board to the customer. Users and content from the trial can be migrated after the trial ends if a conversion to paid service is requested within the 30-day grace period. For tab orders within the US, Canada, Netherlands, UK, Italy, Australia, and Japan, a one-time 30-day extension may be requested. The Try and Buy program is available to direct customers, Tier 1 partners distributors, and Tier 2 partners. Tier 1 partners and distributors have the same enrollment process. Please note that Tier 2 partners need to work with a distributor. For details regarding the availability of the Try and Buy program, use these links to learn where Webex service is currently available and where you can participate in the Webex Try and Buy program. Partner Try and Buys, or PTABs, are managed end-to-end by a partner. Please find these links at the end of this module. In this module, we provided an overview of some of the key programs and tools to help you grow and manage your Cisco Collaboration SaaS business. CCW and its subscription billing platform is the core of how partners quote, order, and manage customer subscriptions. When ordering, think of the Collaboration Flex Plan as the easiest and most comprehensive way to license collaboration services and products in either an on-premises or SaaS environment, enabling your customers to move to the cloud at their own pace while paying for what they use. With Smart Accounts, partners and customers have full visibility and access control to all Cisco software licenses across the customer's company. Easily store, manage, and move assets from one virtual account to another. And to help you accelerate your Webex business and demonstrate industry-leading devices such as video endpoints and IP phones, partners have access to the Webex Try and Buy program. Next, let's check your knowledge on something we have covered in this module. A Smart Account is a centralized account managed by a partner or customer that provides a new way to manage software and pricing changes, is only used by an end-user customer to manage Cisco software, provides visibility and access control to all Cisco software licenses across the customer's company. The correct answer is C. Provides visibility and access control to all Cisco software licenses across the customer's company. In this module, we covered a brief overview of Cisco Commerce Workspace, the shift from CapEx only to CapEx and OpEx buying models, the Cisco subscription billing platform, managing entitlements via Cisco Smart Accounts, and an introduction to Cisco's Try and Buy program. Thanks for watching.